Okay guys, here we have an iPhone 13 with a swollen battery. It is swollen that it already pushed the LCD out. What we're gonna do is replace the battery. Let's go. Now we are going to hit the phone in order to lessen the adhesive. Remember guys, be careful on doing this because you can damage the flex underneath. As you can see, the battery is very bloated. Now we will remove the cable connecting the LCD so that when we remove the battery, uh, there won't be any inconvenience. Now we need to remove the bottom part, that is the speaker, to make way for the adhesive that we are going to remove. Now we are going to feed the new battery, and it has a attached adhesive to it. This is the most tedious part because you should be careful uh, not to scrape something that is not glue. We are scraping the old adhesive from the phone in order to place a new one. Now we are placing our new adhesive so that it will still be waterproof. And after this, we will attach the LCD and assemble the right back to test if the battery is working.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head.
Now we shouldn't forget about the screw on the bottom, and we shall remove the protection on the cameras that I placed earlier. We are going to use this press tool to press the LCD onto its proper position, and then we are gonna test it if it is gonna function well. As you can see, the battery is good and the phone is back to its optimal performance. Thank you for watching.